Hi, my name is David P. Shapiro. I am a San Diego criminal attorney. I'm also the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P. Shapiro located in San Diego. My firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. Robbery is a violent felony and is a strike under California's 3 strikes laws for those who are convicted of robbery. It is not to be taken lightly. Robbery could be what you first think and what a lot of people may think when they first hear about robbery being, a bank robber or a store, someone's getting held up and they run out of the store with money with the ski mask and all that type of stuff. And that could very well be the case. But the most common version of robbery that we see on a day in, day out basis are situations where, there may be a fight or there may be some sort of a physical altercation and someone walks away with some property, whether they take it off the other person, like there's a fight and they grab a chain or a purse or something like that, or where property, let's say, falls on the ground or it's taken, but then you use force or fear to try and keep the property and basically to keep that person from getting their property back from you. We even see robbery charged. It's known as an Estes robbery in California, also known as a strong armed robbery, in situations where it may be a shoplifter and a loss prevention officer comes running out, hey, get back here. And the person sort of stiff arms them to get some separation. Leaving with the property using force or fear. Even something as minor as a push-off or something like that can, and in many instances, particularly in San Diego, we do see actually charged as robbery. And the penalties for robbery are exactly the same as they are if it's one of those more serious instances that I alluded to earlier. So it's certainly something not to be taken lightly. One problem we see people who are under investigation for robbery get into it usually involves social media. We've done a lot of cases at the firm over the past couple of years where we represent people where, listen, they might have been involved in a robbery or planning a robbery or a conspiracy to commit a robbery in some way, shape, or form. But when law enforcement does their investigation, when the district attorney's office does their investigation, what do they uncover? They uncover bragging about the robberies on social media. They uncover people walking around with the items that they are alleged to have taken by force or fear on social media. And this is all damning evidence against you. So resist that urge to brag about what you're accused of doing. Don't talk about stuff like that on social media. Don't talk about it to the police. Don't try and justify your actions or alleged conduct if you're questioned by law enforcement. Politely decline to answer any questions. Reach out to a quality, locally experienced criminal defense firm with the resources to help you out through this difficult situation, and a firm who will hopefully be able to protect your liberty, your freedom, your job, your career, your schooling, and to keep you with those who love you, whether it's your friends, your family, boyfriend, girlfriend, what have you, and not to let this investigation lead to a conviction, which will severely affect your future prospects moving forward. So if you find yourself under investigation or charged with robbery, are looking for a great law firm to help you out through this time and want our help, we encourage you to give us a call, 619-295-3555.